Fallout did an update. Gone Fission. It's really fun, and I love it. Other people are downing it, but you know, I love it because I went fishing religiously. The first glowing fish I caught was a static sawgill. So, I want to make one. What you need? A picture of the fish you want to do. 5 feet, multicolored, multi-white, LED light strips. Got this at the dollar store for $3. 2 2-liter bottle soda bottles. Make sure they're the clear plastic, otherwise it's not going to glow blue. How's it going to glow blue? Let me show you. Not only with this, we're also going to be using some blue tissue paper. You can get this over at a hobby store, super centers in the arts and crafts section, somewhere at the maybe Walmart. You can also get it online, but I got it from my work. Shh, don't say anything. A blown up picture of the fish. I just found it online, and then I took a snapshot, and then I printed it out. And you can take a snapshot too. There you go. If you don't have a printer, you can always use your articulate, masterful pen drawing skills. 2 googly eyes. I'll explain later. Hot glue, contact cement, and Mod Podge. Some waterproof patch and seal tape. Midnight blue satin. But what's different about this fish is that it's the only glowing blue fish. All the special glowing fish are just green.
That's boring.
Cut out the outline parts. That's where we're going to spray paint. Get your water bottles, cut it straight down. Cut these parts off. Should look like this. What you also might want to use is saran wrap. Now that we made a huge honking outline of the fish, what we're going to do is we're going to get some saran wrap and wrap it around continually. You must get your Mod Podge and lather this every time you wrap it over the fish. One of the craziest projects I've ever done. Need some more saran wrap. Wrap it tight like a mummy. Alright, I put the blue tissue paper and I'm going to let it dry. A layer of Mod Podge on both sides. Now that it's covered on both sides, we're going to spray paint this on there. All right, spray painted it. We're getting there. Now that the fish is drying, let's do the googly eyes. We're gonna pop out the googly, and then we're gonna use the clear plastic. Oh, there we go. See a gap right here. All right, fisheye lens. All right, should open up like that. You won't need the paper mache anymore. All right, both sides. Okay, so the fish isn't done. I haven't put the details on there, you know, on the fins, the teeth for the sawgill, even the eye. The eye is missing. But I'm so hyped to see what it looks like when we put the light strips inside. Alright, the strips are in. Let's turn off the lights and see what we can do. Woo! Alright. A glowing fish. Alright, I like it. We're gonna find a way to wrap it on the inside, like so. And it'll still glow on the outside, like that. But with this quick project, I'm probably gonna take a little more time when I make other fishes. This one's just for funsies. It's an inspiration from the Fallout. All we need to do is put the fins on, put the teeth, eyes, and maybe make a bracket, you know, maybe a rack. Okay, we're gonna do some details, but before that, we're going to make some ribs. This is flatter than a flatfish. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut these in sections as ribs so that the fish can have like a more of a 3D, you know, oval shape. And voila, my version of the static sawgill based off of the update from Fallout 76, Gone Fission. Let me show you its details. The reason why the scales are a little smaller is because I wanted it to glow kind of like a nightlight. If you look at the scales compared to this and these, that fish right there does not glow quite well. This one looks like it just got nuked by a, you know, post-apocalyptic warhead. I got a piece of wood, got some more wood in the back, and then I stuffed all the lights inside the fish. It looks like, you know, some taxidermy, wouldn't you say? I was so inspired to make something different rather than keep going with my regular costumes and props. Take breaks during your work. Otherwise, the finishing piece will not be quite finished as you think. So, like, share, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. Thanks and all. Catch you later. Oh, I already caught, no. Piece of wood. First catch of the day. Gross.